I don't see too many dogs in there. Why? Because you gotta pay for it. Alright, check out the front entrance of Hops and Hounds. Pretty cool. Lone Star. Alright, here we go. We're walking in. Let's check it out. Wow, pretty good outdoor space. Nice shaded tree. Paves, rocks, fire pit. A lot of seating area. Pretty cool. We have a Lone Star beer bar. Looks like a full bar. Has all your awesome drinks that you would like to drink. Now we're walking down to the dog park. Pretty cool. I think there might be 2 dog parks. One for smaller dogs and one for bigger dogs. But it's definitely have all the fun amenities that dogs would like. You have access to the river walk from Hops and Hounds. And it's next to this other restaurant, which is pretty cool. Definitely a lot of options here. Coming from the Riverwalk, you have access to the Hops and Hounds and elsewhere. It looks pretty cool. Oh, I just noticed that big screen TV for outdoor entertainment. Another bar right there. Plenty of seating area.